Hi, my name is Regression. I'm the creator of PI Migration, and I've been a PI developer for a long time. In this short video, I will give you some information and teach you how to become much more efficient and dealing with migration and regression testing. And I'll be offering you a free trial of the product and giving you a full upfront disclosure on what the price is. So I hope you will be sticking along and listening to this interesting ideas I would like to share with you. So I was working on a project where I had to move away from a business connector to PI. And the good thing is I of course had the business connector code. I can watch and see what was being done there. But a lot of times it was difficult to really grasp what was going on and how different documents will react to that. So I had to do a lot of testing and taking the IDOC that the business connector had and the IDOC that the PI system had and compare them side by side and either that or in XML spy, and that took a long time to do that. So I decided I had to create a product that will speed up this process for me. So what I did was I was creating the product and found that when I've done this, this was really helpful for me. And I thought, well, if it helps me achieve the goal of moving away from the PI or the business connector to the PI, it will probably also help you in achieving what you want with your PI system. So that's why I converted to a more formal product, tried to put some more things around it to make it really useful as a product. The other thing that the tool does is regression testing. So you normally, you'd have to set up a lot of test cases when you're doing regression testing. See, if we expect this, if we get this message in, we'll expect this result, and that's that kind of feature, and we can see the fields here or those information. And that sometimes becomes really complicated to do a lot of testing on, because, well, you don't know what it can do for you and if that really work with where you want to move with the testing. So I thought, well, I got this XML and EDFACT comparison tool. Why don't I also allow it to be used in migration comparison? So what it does is you'll send all the files in, save them on the disk, and then you'd say, okay, now I have my snapshot of all the messages that I'm normally processing, and then you could say save as, and then you got a test case. Then you can start sending new messages in and compare it with this test case you have already saved. If there's any messages that diverge from that, you know that something has changed, and you can say, okay, it is okay that the date is changed, or it is okay that this field has changed because that was what I wanted. And then if other things has changed, then you can say, okay, nothing has changed, and well, it's good, and you can move it to production. So that will really speed up the way you are implementing things into production. So that was the two use cases, and I can see, at least for the business, for the migration testing, this has really allowed me to do much faster delivery of test case of PI messages, mappings from business connector to PI. So I believe that you'll also experience the same speed improvement if that's your use case. If the use case you're looking for more is the migration, you'll still see a large improvement because some of your testing will not be there, and more importantly, you'll be much better covered when doing your testing. So normally when I've seen prices like products like this, the price is not disclosed because, Well, it depends. Yeah, what? Everything has a price, and I just wanted to be fair and square about the price of this PI migration. So the price is 4,000 euros, and I really believe that that's a good value for what you're getting and will really speed up the performance that you're getting. So in this price, you're getting 4 things. First off, you're getting the web-based interface for how to use, where you can use the tool in. You're getting an adapter module that will allow you to save the files on your local disk, so the PI migration tool works. You're getting a message mapping that you can put in your operation mapping and save the files so they work with comparison. And then you're getting the HTTP API, so you can upload messages from different files if they don't have access to the same systems as the PI has. So that was the 4 things in the package that you'll be getting. And to make this even easier for you, I've created a free trial version where you can just try out the version, see how it works, and see if it's something for you. So put your name and email address in the box over here, and I'm really looking forward to hear your experiences with it and see how well this performs with your use cases.